Slide 1. Notification Overview. Welcome to the Indian Navy Civilian Entrance Test Notification Overview. This is INCET 01, 2025. The recruitment is for various Group B and Group C civilian posts. Applications must be submitted online through the official website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. Selected candidates may be posted across various naval commands in India. Slide 2. Total vacancies. There are more than 910 vacancies available across different categories. These include positions such as staff nurse, chargeman, pharmacist, tradesman mate, multitasking staff, and many more. Notably, the storekeeper post alone accounts for 176 vacancies. Slide 3. Application fee. The application fee is 295 rupees, excluding applicable taxes and charges. However, candidates belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, persons with benchmark disabilities, ex-servicemen, and women are exempt from paying the fee. Payments are to be made online using net banking, credit or debit cards, or UPI. Slide 4. Important dates. The exact dates for the start and end of the online application process will be announced shortly. Please keep checking the official Indian Navy recruitment portal. The closing date of the application is considered the crucial date for determining age and qualification eligibility. Slide 5. Age limit. The upper age limit varies by post. Staff nurse can be up to 45 years old. Chargeman posts typically require candidates between 18 and 30 years of age. For the pharmacist post, the age limit is 18 to 27 years. Multitasking staff and storekeeper posts require candidates between 18 and 25 years of age. Age relaxations apply for reserved categories as per government rules. Slide 6. Qualification. The educational qualifications differ across posts. Staff nurse requires matriculation, certified training in nursing, and registration. Chargeman roles require a Bachelor of Science or diploma in relevant engineering disciplines. Pharmacists need a 12th pass with a diploma in pharmacy and registration. Multitasking staff must have matriculation or AT. Storekeeper positions require a 10+2 pass and 1 year of relevant experience.